Alright, this is our safe detection text messenger, and when you open this safe here, this argon with the photoresistor detects light. It notifies this argon, and the D7 light will blink, which will also send a signal back to this argon and blink this D7 light. And if this, then that was set up to where when it sends that signal, it'll send a text saying that the safe is open. And all of that is sent from the argon to the ThingSpeak where the data is gathered.
So this is our code for the argon with the photoresistor. So we are defining a light pin, which is A0. We're setting a threshold and a sensitivity level. That'll be used later. So down here is our main loop. We are reading an analog read from the light pin, which is A0, which is connected to the photoresistor. And we're going to publish that analog value to ThingSpeak. And so after that's published, we're saying if our analog light value is greater than or equal to our threshold that we have already set, then we're going to publish this light level changed event and say light. And so that gets sent to our other argon, which is going to subscribe to this variable and send it to a handler function, which means that if we're publishing that the light is on, that the D7 LED will flash for half a second and turn off, and then publish this subscription received 49 event, which gets sent back to the main argon's code and sent to this handler function where it will flash the D7 LED for 0.2 of a second and then turn off, just to confirm that the variable has been received.